Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2754th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, one more of these desktop shoots for you. David, we wish him so well, and he's gotten much better, but David, my editor, has been sick for the last few days, hasn't been able to come over and film me and, do those videos where I can get in front of the camera. So I've been offering you these desktop shoots while we wait for David to come back. David, feel better, kid. I'll see you in a day or two. So this video is being brought to you on a Monday night for trading, Tuesday, May 21st, 2024. Please remember how risky trading is. Risky, risky, risky. Crypto, not crypto, options, futures. I don't care what people tell you. It is risky trading anything. Put your protective stops in first before getting into any trades. Bitcoin daily bar, and this is for trading on Tuesday into Wednesday. So, traders, very interesting. We did a video, and of course you can absolutely go back and look. My videos are all, numbered and dated and just a few days back. We did a video down here, if you recall, when the market was coming down on this red day down here, and we said, okay, we are at the do or die level. If it holds here, we've got some footing. It's got to get back above our average and stay inside of this channel right here, right? So we had that video. Well, it actually did hold. Lo and behold, it held. It rallied up, and when it came back down here, we did another video, and that video said Omni wants us to keep buying dips. All right, so we had that video. The market started to go up, and on this day, I put out a video that said we have a short-term target for Bitcoin. Our 85,000 target, yes, remains valid. Short-term, for trading short-term. Very soon, 72,000 Bitcoin, here we come. That was the video I put out when I did my analysis over this weekend, and this is what's happened. Oh my goodness. Sunday night, Monday night. How about that, huh? Bitcoin goes straight up and hits my target. It just hit this evening before I did this video. Rock and roll. Who else can do that, traders? Who can let you know way before it's going to happen and the price it's going to get to? That is the Omni. Rock and roll. Viva la Omni. Come join us at livewithoscar.com. Now get this. In last night's video, I mentioned that anybody who wanted to come to my live webinar on Tuesday, please let me know by leaving a comment below last night's video. And if you leave a comment on last night's video, I will consider putting your chart into my webinar, which will happen today on Tuesday. So a bunch of you put comments and suggestions, and I took every one of those that I could find the analysis and the charts for, and guess what the webinar will be about on Tuesday, or I should say today if you're watching it on Tuesday. The webinar is going to be about every chart that you asked me to do. So very interesting webinar for me. Generally, my webinars work like this. I find something interesting I want to show everybody. The day of the webinar, I show everybody. This webinar is everyone else that found something interesting asked me to do analysis on it. So this webinar is your webinar. None of these charts came from what I wanted to look at. I might add a few before this is over, but this webinar is based on all of the suggestions that you put in last night's video as comments. Thank you so much for commenting. I promise you I will get to your chart. If I was able to find it and you commented last night, it will be in the webinar at 3 p.m. today. It's absolutely free. The registration link is right below. Please click that link below. Make sure you register, and I will see you at 3 p.m. If you're watching this video tonight on Monday night, I'll see you tomorrow, Tuesday. If you're watching this video on Tuesday, I'll see you this afternoon at 3 p.m. Traders, that's about it for now. We'll go over a bunch of charts. Remember, they're your choices. This is your webinar, and we'll see how that goes. And then make sure that you join me at livewithoscar.com. That's free to do. And then, best of all, keep your emotions out of trading. How do we do that? Well, we put our stops in first. Remember the risk. And then when the market's getting close to one of those stops, instead of changing the order and buying more and making sins that you shouldn't commit, instead of doing that, say to yourself, stop, sir. Well, traders, thank you so much for tuning in. Love the comments last night. I promise I will get to your chart if you ask me to do that for you. Tuesday's webinar is all about you. Make sure you sign up below. I will see you there.